Making money on GoShare involves leveraging your vehicle and driving skills to help businesses and individuals with delivery services. Here's a step-by-step guide to earning money with GoShare. Sign up and create an account. Download the GoShare app and sign up as a delivery driver. You will need to create an account, provide basic personal details, and submit documents like your driver's license, proof of insurance, and vehicle information. Choose your vehicle. You can use different types of vehicles, such as a truck, van, or SUV. The type of vehicle you own will determine the types of jobs you can take. Larger vehicles are suitable for more significant deliveries, like furniture or appliances. Browse available jobs. Once approved, browse available delivery jobs in your area. GoShare lets you filter jobs based on location, job type, and the size of the delivery. You'll be able to see the rate for each job, which depends on the distance and the weight of the items. Accept jobs and deliver. Accept the jobs you want and head to the pickup location. Ensure you deliver the items on time and provide a smooth, friendly service to earn positive reviews and tips from customers. Get paid. After completing the delivery, GoShare pays for your work. Payment is made via direct deposit into your bank account on a weekly basis.